Introducing the Meter, the first truly wireless meat thermometer by Aption Labs.
Cooking meat is a lot like a water balloon fight. If you don't pay attention, be prepared to pay the consequences. This is Derek. He loves to cook, but let's face it, he's never going to be the next Iron Chef.
Wave goodbye to those days, because you finally have the Meter, a sleek wireless meat thermometer that keeps you up to date on your meat's cooking status by sending you notifications on your smartphone. Here's how it works.
Turn it on by taking it out of the charger. Open the app on your smartphone and choose the type of meat, the cut, and your target cooking result. Stick the meter into the meat. Push start on the app and begin the cooking process. Now you can enjoy your time away from the oven or grill because the meter is monitoring everything for you. It's too often that we're reminded of something cooking by that all too familiar smell that prompts us to question. Is something burning? And you know by that time it's already too late. But with the meter, you get a notification on your phone as soon as your meat has reached the correct internal temperature for your desired cook. If you are busy, the meter can send notifications to your friends. It'll make sure there is always someone that can tend to your meat's needs. It even has a built-in ambient temperature sensor so you know how hot it is around your meat. Did your smoker drop below 215 degrees Fahrenheit? The meter will notify you. Now you can add more fuel to the flame. The meter is your meat bodyguard. It watches your meat and its surroundings to make sure it's safe from under and overcooking. Using the patent-pending dual sensor system, the meter can estimate when your food will be ready, allowing you to manage your time and do the more important things. Unlike other meat thermometers, the meter is the only connected thermometer that has all of its electronics built inside the probe, eliminating the need for wired external devices. Its innovative design allows the meter's electronics to survive extreme heat and be completely wireless, with a range of up to 10 meters. No more tangled messes or having to constantly open up the oven or grill to poke and prod your meat with a quick read thermometer. Now that just sounds painful. With the meter, once your food is in the oven, there is no need to check it until it's ready. The meter's probe has no buttons, LEDs, or openings allowing it to be waterproof. You can easily and thoroughly clean it without the fear of breaking it. If you need the extra range, you can use the meter block. It will give you unlimited wireless range capability and charge up to 4 meters at once. For nearly a year, the technology and prototype have been proven through careful development, extensive testing, and of course, eating.
Pre-order your meter today and get it before it hits the stores.
TravelMate is a robot companion like no other. It's the first fully autonomous suitcase that can go anywhere. You can use it when you're going to work, when traveling, or in any other situation wherein you'd otherwise be carrying your stuff with you. If you look at the evolution of mobile phones, they started out with a singular function, and now we have smartphones that have thousands of capabilities. We want to bring the same type of innovation to suitcases. Thanks to integrated dynamically learning artificial intelligence and advanced movement features, the TravelMate suitcase can handle large crowds and complicated situations with ease. It doesn't need any extra peripherals and has fully autonomous vertical and horizontal driving modes. TravelMate has a powerful electric motor, which is nonetheless whisper quiet. When in horizontal mode, you can add other suitcases or items on top, and TravelMate will carry them for you. This suitcase has an innovative movement system that utilizes Omni wheels to turn effortlessly. It can come to a full stop and turn 360 degrees seamlessly. Omni wheels allow the TravelMate to make tiny adjustments that allow precision on-the-fly adjustments. This is especially useful for avoiding unexpected objects or people who happen to run past the suitcase. TravelMate has turn indicators and sensors that show up when stopping or accelerating. You can adjust a variety of other features with our app, which is easy to use and intuitive. And since all of our software will be open source, it will be open to user mods, which have the potential to create new features altogether. It can also provide auditory cues if you choose to enable them via the TravelMate smartphone app. You can choose your suitcase's LED lighting color and control it directly through the TravelMate smartphone application. TravelMate is fully compliant with TSA regulations and has a removable battery which you can use to charge your electronics. In continuous autonomous use, we anticipate a battery charge of 4 hours. TravelMate also has a variety of smart suitcase features in all models. These features include an integrated scale, which shows you the weight of your luggage, a separate easy access compartment for electronics and laptops, and a smart lock system. You never have to worry about losing your suitcase, because the TravelMate comes with a GPS chip, which will show you the location of your items at all times via our smartphone app. TravelMate is the first autonomous suitcase and robot companion that's suitable for use almost anywhere. Right now on our crowdfunding page, we're offering the TravelMate suitcase at a starting price of $399. By supporting our project, you're getting an awesome suitcase and, at the same time, you help advance this type of technology.
Your smartphone has your whole life on it. It's your point of connection to the people and the world around you. Speed and functionality rarely holds us back, but the limited battery on these devices often does, ruining our days and leaving us totally stranded. Well, that's until we created the SOS adapter. A simple Lightning or micro USB adapter that can turn any iPhone, iPad, or Android device into a powerful power bank. Just insert the SOS adapter into your iOS device and you are ready to charge any other device using any USB cable. The SOS adapter comes with a simple on and off switch to regulate ingoing and outgoing power or data exchange. With the SOS adapter, you will never be left stranded again. Whether you're on the go, making important work phone calls, capturing precious moments, or surfing the web, getting from A to B will never be easier. It eliminates the need to carry a bulky power bank, allowing you to use the power with and around you. The SOS adapter is tiny, making it extremely portable. Compact enough to keep in your pocket or bag. Best of all, you can also leave it attached to any USB cable so you are ready to save and be saved at any time.
Dear Indiegogo backers, first of all, thank you all for supporting Glass. We're busy managing our factories to create the best protection you can get for jet black iPhones. Meanwhile, we've received a few questions regarding our product. Say hello to Penny. Our lovely model will be our guide to address some of your questions. What happens when glass is dropped? With glass, it would be ridiculous to say our glass would not crack if dropped. It can, and it will, but with how much force? We use 0.8mm tempered glass for our glass back, which is almost 3 times thicker than normal glass screen guards. With our glass back, we have passed industry standard 0.35 gram steel ball test dropping from 1.5 meters at various points of the surface. In order to prevent from accidental chipping, our glass is also computer milled with a curved angle. We all know how a windshield breaks when a rock chips it, and through our design we did everything we could to prevent chipping from happening. And yes, we know, lab data may not recreate real-life events, so we've decided to show you. Penny, our model, will demonstrate for you her day-to-day simulated drops. All shots are done in one take, so there's no computer graphics involved. We hope this will answer your question on how resilient glass is. How would this product look without a logo? Dear backers, we love you and we hear you. Here's a rendering of how glass will look without a logo. Factories are very finicky in making small batches of anything, but due to our relentless pestering, we have made them agree to manufacture a small batch of 200 units per size. Today, we have created a special email for you if you decide to get a case with no imprint just like the rendering. We'll gladly fulfill your pledge, as long as we have gathered 200 units requested per size. We'll also have a daily counter of pledges per size on our campaign, so you'll be able to see the progress. This will be a one-time only event, so get your friends with jet black iPhone to pledge for this only opportunity to get logo-free glass. Act fast, time's running out! How does wireless signal work with glass? With our patent-pending wireless signal pass-through design, glass is the best glass metal case you can ever get. Here are the results with glass in Taipei, Taiwan, where our R&D offices are. Please be aware that wireless signal may vary from place to place, and it all depends on your carrier and transponders in your area. From our current testing, our beta testers didn't find any significant degradation due to our case, and we have tested it in China, Hong Kong, and in Taipei, Taiwan. We have one more little surprise for you. During our extensive testing with jet black iPhones, we found out that even a small speck of dust would show up clearly through our high-clarity glass back. In order to make sure that no dust can get inside the case, we have included 2 user-installable dust seals in the package. Installation is easy. All you need to do is align the seals onto the camera hole on the back of the glass, slightly press so the adhesive sticks, and install the phone inside the case. It's that simple. And now you can enjoy your jet black in perfect, out-of-the-box condition every day. We would not have come this far without your support. Once again, thank you all for believing in us to create the best protective solution for jet black iPhones. Glass will be in your mailbox soon. We hope you'll love it like we do.